Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Manika.
My name is Bhavik.
Today we are going to make Unibic biscuit cake in microwave oven
With our mom's help.
Hello.
My name is Bhavik. So hey guys, here we are making biscuit cake. So first we will break the biscuits.
Here we are using of two Unibic biscuits like this. This is the one packet. These we have grinded and we will now put it in the grinder and then we will be grinding it. This is one more packet. See, our mom is putting in the grinder. Please do not make it alone. You use the elder's help. Now,
so here guys, this is milk. We are putting milk in biscuits.
Now we will be grinding it after putting half spoon soda.
Baking powder we are putting.
So we will take it to the.
Here we are grinding it. So let's. This is our paste after grinding it. Now we will be making the mixture. Here mom is putting ENO in this. अगर हम इसको बेक उसमें डालेंगे माइक्रोवेव में तो ये ऊपर फूल के आएगा, तो इसलिए मम्मी अभी डाल रही है. तो अगर आप इसमें बाउल में बटर पेपर भी लगा सकते हैं, बट हमारे पास बटर पेपर नहीं है. सो वी आर पुटिंग अ पेज. वी हैव टू फर्स्ट पुट वन लेयर इन द पेपर एंड देन वन लेयर इन द बाउल. You can see like this. Then we have to paste this page upon the bowl, inside the bowl. After that we will put one layer upon the paper once more. Then we will be putting the mixture that we have grinded the biscuits. Here mom is putting the mixture in the bowl. So this is our paste we have poured in the bowl. Now we will be putting in the oven.
This is our bowl. So now we are setting it.
We have to set it for 8 minutes and now we have to start it. You can see it's cooking. So let's wait for 8 minutes. Here you can see it is already made. Five, four, three, two, one. It's made. You can see it is made. Mom will take out. You can see this. So we have taken out the cake out of oven. So you can see it is looking very much tasty. Here we have not put anything upon it. If you want to put, you can put jams or you can put some crushed biscuit upon it. You can see it. Mom is cutting the piece.
It's too hot. How is it?
Yummy.
So this was our video. Thanks
For watching our video.